Is Dr. A.T. Now today we are going to prove that in this theorem, if theta is the angle between the intersecting circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Consider this is equation number 1. Next that x square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash equals to 0. Consider this is equation number 2. Then we are going to prove that cos theta equals to c plus c dash minus 2gg dash minus 2ff dash by 2 into root of g square plus f square minus c root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. Okay, now prove that. Considered here, let S1, S2 be the centers and R1, R2 be the radii of two given circles 1 and 2. Then C1 equals to minus G minus F center. Next C2 equals to, directly go to right here, minus G dash minus F dash. This is the center. We are going to find out the radius in the first circle. R1 equals to root of G square plus F square minus C formula. R2 equals to root of G dash square plus F dash square minus C dash. Okay, formula cos theta equals to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2r1 r2. Hence here substitute d square first of all. What is d? Formula c1 c2. D means here find out distance between in these 2 points. Applying the distance formula, here find out c1 c2 root of consider this is x1 y1 and x2 y2. Formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square minus g dash minus of minus plus g whole square minus g dash minus of minus plus g whole square x2 minus x1 whole square plus similarly y2 minus y1 whole square minus f dash minus of minus plus f whole square minus f dash plus f whole square. Okay, here d square means d means c1 c2. We want d square, so square root gets cancelled. Then here g dash minus g whole square, there is no root here. Then f dash minus f whole square. Substitute in this formula, d square means g dash minus g whole square. Next that plus f dash minus f whole square. Next that minus r1 square. What is r1? Sorry, root of g square plus f square minus c. Square root gets cancelled, then we'll get g square plus f square minus c. Minus similarly, we are going to write here r2 square. Here only r2 is there. So square root gets cancelled. Then we'll get g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash by 2 r1 r2. 2 into directly write here r1 means root of g square plus f square minus c into r2 means root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. Okay, this is c plus c dash, okay, minus 2 g into g dash minus 2f into f dash by 2 root of g square plus f square minus c root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. So cos theta will get. Okay, thank you.